This is Rocky and Shiner, and they're allowing us to take a property tour of their home on Vieques today. I don't know if the rooster has a name. Welcome to Suave Brisa on Vieques Island, Puerto Rico. This is in the Villa Borinquen neighborhood, and you can see our sister island of Culebra off there in the distance. This is kind of close to Santa Maria neighborhood, not far from the high school. Here we are out in front of the property. You can see there's a nice quiet street. There's a concrete wall out front. We've got a gate here with a lock on it. The whole property is fenced, so if you have animals, if you have dogs, you can certainly keep them inside. This whole front area is very lush, very mature garden. Look at those Christmas palms up there. I think that's how it gets its name, from those ripe berries that kind of look like Christmas lights. This is a gorgeous cactus that's in bloom, very mature. Look at that great texture. Love all the flowers on it. Some bromeliads down below. I think there's some Canaria off in the distance, but this is a property of good size that, if you're a gardener, it's certainly going to keep you busy. Has a great start, a lot of mature trees on it already. This is a multi-unit property, so there's a unit downstairs. We're going to start upstairs first. You can see there's the front porch, the angled roof. This little front deck area is facing east. So you're going to get some nice morning sun here. You sit here, have your coffee. Late afternoon, you get the shade, so perhaps you want to enjoy another cocktail out here at the end of the day. Off on the side here, you can see good size, good soil. And here we're at the front of the house. So coming up the street, it's a short walk to this front porch. Got the nice wood door there, screen door here to come in. And we have to enter right into the living room. And you can see the windows are frosted glass. There are some mini splits here in the living room. So in the event during the day you want to turn the AC on, you can close the windows, still get some light, and be refreshed by the AC. There's a slanted roof here. You can see that. You can see the ceiling fans, which has a light in it. Back to the front door that we came in. And this kind of has a nice flow right into the kitchen. There is a smaller dining table there. Imagine a more informal sitting area. So you can see the difference. There's a kitchen on the left and the living room on the right where we came in. Notice that the windows are all open. It does have AC. I often recommend to people when moving to Vieques that if the whole house doesn't have AC, there might be a reason that people enjoyed not having AC everywhere. Here's the kitchen. See the fridge area there. Good size. A lot of what I notice here, a lot of cabinets. So this is perfect for a family, full-time living, long-term rental. A lot of the short-term rentals often don't need as much space. People aren't eating as much food. They're not there that long. So this has plenty of room for cleaning supplies. There's your double sink. So cleaning supplies and other food items. And then you've got some nice light coming in through the frosted glass windows. There you can see the gas stove. There's a microwave here, as well as a fan hood over the stove. There's the microwave. Just to follow up on that AC comment, a lot of folks move to Vieques thinking that they need, here's some of the drawers, a little quiet close. Often think they need AC everywhere, but often I suggest folks kind of use the house for a little bit to see what they think. A lot of these homes are easily adaptable to AC, but often not needed. This is the first of 3 bedrooms up here on the top floor. This room does not have AC. This room could easily have an inverter installed. There's room on the walls there for it. Looks like a twin bed there. I like the fact there's light on coming in from 2 walls here. This is the northeast window, the northeast corner of the top floor. So you do get a little cross breeze there. Ceiling fan, decent amount of closet space. All these rooms, you'll notice these bedrooms are somewhat adaptable. It could be offices, could be playrooms, could be bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2. This one does have an AC unit there in the wall. What folks often do is as these AC units expire, there are a lot of technicians and folks that service mini split ACs on Vieques now, so they'll often, when that expires, they'll put AC mini splits in instead. Again, this is the northwest corner of the upstairs unit. You're going to have room here for a bed, 2 side tables. You're going to have good cross breeze. There's your ceiling fan. And there is closet space there as well. So this is the hallway. This is built in. This is another pantry area. This would be ideal kind of as a linen closet or an overflow pantry for the kitchen. You can see the wood cabinetry there. One of the previous owners was a contractor, so a lot of the improvements here are very well done. This is the bathroom, the only bathroom on this top floor. You've got a shower, a ceiling fan. That window faces west. See the toilet. All the tile work here on the floor, the walls in the shower. Hot and cold water. There is a solar hot water on the roof, so that should help save on your utility bills, as well as a bench there in the shower. And there you can see the vanity, the mirror, the sink, the cabinetry there, and the toilet. All wood doors on all these rooms, which is nice. This here is the master bedroom up on the top floor, the top unit. I think you'd easily fit a king-size bed there. And again, you've got windows on 2 walls here. This would be the southwest corner of the house. Bedroom does have a mini split AC. We can see up there on the top corner. Some good closet space as well as ceiling fan. So all sides of this upper unit have windows. So once they're all open, you do get a good breeze. Remember, Vieques do have the trade winds that come through, so often have breeze flowing through the property. This is a gorgeous feature of the house, is this balcony off the master bedroom. Here you can see a little of the surrounding neighborhood. This is looking up towards Monte Carmelo, the hills of Villa Borinquen. And as we turn to the right, we're going to be more facing west, and we'll see there's the fort, there's the ocean, the Rompeolas is off in the distance. This is kind of a wide angle on this camera lens, so keep in mind that when you're standing there, it's going to be much more prominent, visible, the fort and the water. There's Rocky and Shiner. They're hanging out in their backyard. They've kind of taken over, and as part of the reason why there's no grass in the backyard is Rocky and Shiner have made that their home down there. There are some mature trees down there. That's a starfruit. Gives off lots of starfruit every year. That's the side of the house we saw from the front porch. And as we look back around, we'll see there's the septic tank there. There's some other little fruit trees off on the right. There's some mango and guanabana, which is custard apple. That whole area basically has become the horse corral. But it certainly could be something else. A lot of folks that have toured the property often look at that backyard and think that they'd like to put a deck off the back of the house with a pool, and there's certainly enough room to do that. So this is the upstairs unit, 1 of 2. Quick little tour back to the master bedroom, the bathroom, the 2 bedrooms, the other 2 bedrooms, the kitchen, flowing into the living room, which takes us back out to the front porch. Again, nice little sitting area. You can see the breeze. You talk about the breeze flowing in the trade winds. You can see all the movement in the plants. It's always a good breeze flowing through here, which is nice. And then from here, there's these are the steps that go down to the lower unit in the driveway. And I'll see you down there in a second. All right, so down here on the lower floor, there's the steps that go up to the front yard. This is we're standing in the driveway. And this lower unit down here, this is actually not part of the lower unit. This is a separate utility area that can be accessed by both units directly from the driveway. So it's a laundry area. There's a washer and dryer here. Plenty of room for washing and drying and folding laundry. Also down here is a storage unit. So this could be locked and separated if one is living downstairs or upstairs and doesn't want the other accessing this room. It could be separated. There's also a room off of here that has a water pump right in there. It's a little too dark to video, so I didn't go in. So this is a storage area. It's completely separate, right off of the driveway, so you can have controlled access to that as you wish. This here is another closet, current owner, because she has the horses have been using it for storing feed and other items. And here we are. This is a little lower unit. Oh, there's Rocky and Shiner still eating away. Hey guys, they don't miss a single piece of that feed. Coming into the lower unit, this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and we come directly into the living room / kitchen area. It's about a 7 or 8 foot ceiling height here. What I like about this unit is actually, look at that, there's a lot of light. It's almost like ceiling to floor windows, all frosted glass. Gets great light down here. A lot of times lower units are a little dark and dingy, but this one gets plenty of light. This is the kitchen area, little dining table there, room for a dining table. As we saw, there's room for a sofa, kitchen, or in the living room. Here you've got, smaller fridge, smaller stove. The windows have views out towards the fort. This really is a unit that's just suitable for 2 people. Enough storage space for food items, kind of size for 2 folks. And coming back here is the one and only bedroom for this level. Easily fit a king size bed here. And again, you've got the floor to ceiling windows, really brightens up this room. And it faces west, so you're not going to be woken up with direct sunlight in your face. Plenty of room for a dresser, side tables, large bed. There's your ceiling fan. There is an AC unit right there in the wall. You can see that. This is a good sized bedroom. This is a great This is a great size for a 1-bedroom. One of the features here is actually a closet here, big closet, especially for a 1-bedroom unit. As much as I hate saying the H word, if a hurricane were to come through, this would be one of the best safe rooms I've ever seen on Vieques for hiding out for a storm. Just nice and solid, middle of the house. Plenty of room for storage, closet storage, whatever you need. A lot of times in 1-bedroom units, you just have no place to store stuff. And this is not the case with this unit. In the back here, we've got a nice, actually a large bathroom. I like the tiling on the sink there. There's tile on the floor, tile on the walls, all very clean and bright, seems spacious. And the shower here has 2 benches, one there below the shower head and one on the other side. So good size shower, great size bathroom, great size for a 1-bedroom unit. So for the building, we've got a total of 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. There's 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 downstairs. Each has a bathroom. And there's again the window. This is a very, very bright unit. It's very nice. Again, wood doors, wood molding, wood jambs. Good size, lots of light. A little review of the kitchen. If you enjoy this property tour, please hit the like or subscribe button. That way you'll know about some future tours that we give. If you want to schedule a tour of this property in person, of course, you can feel free to contact us. And if you feel like this house isn't exactly suitable for you, but perhaps for a friend or a family member, feel free to share it to them. Again, the whole backyard is fenced off. This is fenced off for Rocky and Shiner, for their little entertainment space. You can see they're still munching away there. They're going to take every single grain of that they can, fight off the rooster. This is Suave Brisa in Villa Borinquen on the island of Vieques. If you want to find out more about this property or any other listings we might have, please visit our website. It's www.paraisorealtypr.com. There's that custard apple tree I was telling you about there on the right. And I'm Bob. Thanks for taking another property tour with us here, and look forward to seeing you in our next video. You want to talk to me? No? You're a little camera shy? You're not shy. No.